Everybody, especially women, fears the most when it comes to hair loss. There are many causes responsible for hair loss, and many natural remedies to arrest it naturally. Sharing one of the cheapest and effective means to stop hair falls. For some it may not work also, because the causes of hair loss varied from person to person, like hereditary factors, dandruff, weather change, health reasons, etc. First, get a fresh lemon, and take out the lemon juice in a small bowl, and mix small amount of coconut oil. After mixing it thoroughly, apply the same on hair regularly, by massaging it on hair properly, and leave it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, wash your hair with shampoo, or one can apply the same before going to bed at night. And wash it in the morning with shampoo. It is one of the cheapest and easiest items to find in the market. If applied regularly twice a week, can prevent hair loss and remove dandruff from hair completely. For best result, one should not comb hair while the hair is wet, which may lead to hair fall. Never use other people's comb or hairbrush, and clean your hairbrush regularly in clean water with Dettol. Diet plays an important role in achieving healthy hair, like consuming raw foods like carrots, spinach, tomatoes, etc. Drink plenty of water also helps in prevent hair loss. One of the most important factor to promote hair growth is to increase blood circulation by doing exercise regularly.